Kung saan nga may masarap, dapat pinupuntaan. iVlog, welcome to my guys. If you are in Dubai and craving some delicious Filipino food, I've got the perfect spot for you. Kumain ako sa The Asian Fusion Restaurant sa Albarcia, sa may malapit sa Eros Group. Same building ng Icon Deluxe Hotel and Apartment. Opposite side siya ng New W Market. At nasa first floor sila. Super bait ng staff dito. They offer an all-you-can-eat buffet for just 39 dirhams with grilled isaw, fried isaw, chicken isaw, lumpia, and more. If you love the Filipino street food, this place is must try. For the dessert, they have bilo-bilo, maha blanca, and of course, the alo-alo. Super perfect to end the meal. Masarap yung food dito, affordable pa. The food is great and the staff is friendly. Don't miss out when you are in the area. For more food, spot, and recommendation, see you in the next one. Thank you.